was tiring them.
Maybe it was a disciplinary matter for not listening to the halftime speech.
Glen Rice with a three-pointer. Brandon with Pippen and Rice on the wings. Open shot for one of the best. And he hits it! A three-pointer again for Glen Rice. 7-run the last 8 minutes. Rice for 3. Yes! Rice in a battle with Jones.
Excellent interior post passing by Chris Webber that time.
Rice running the floor.
And Glen Rice wants to show that he is not just a perimeter shooter.
Glen Rice, 1997 All-Star Game MVP, setting a record for the most points in a quarter and a half.